Monday. We're making a matcha. I need a little pick-me-up. I'm gonna start this new thing and I don't know how it's gonna work, if it's gonna stick, or what the actual routine will be, but I've made a cleaning schedule. This is just what we have so far. So the idea is that you do a little cleaning every day so that you don't have to do giant cleaning days where you have to get like the entire house under control. Yum. So we'll see how this goes. Today, Monday, deep clean the kitchen. See? Okay, if you watched my spring shopping video, I went to like Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, all sorts of stuff. It was such a fun day with my mom. But I pointed out this lamp at Target and I loved it, but I didn't buy it. My mom actually said she thinks that I need taller lamps for our bedroom, but I just really love these lampshades. I think they're so cool. I don't love the base. I mean, it's fine. I kind of was thinking, let's say I ever get sick of this like dark green. Is it crazy to like paint or spray paint them? Like what if I wanted to do like a light blue or a lighter green? Okay, so put my books. Dogs are totally gonna mess with that. Also, these picture frames must go up this week as well. Here's the old lamp. Put one here. And we'll grab the other one. Put the other one right here. Okay, what do we think? My mom said she feels like I need taller lamps in this room. But what do we think? Like I said, some picture frames are going on the wall, so ignore the blankness, but I kind of like them. I don't know. I think it's cute. And again, like I'm really not opposed to painting the body of the lamps if I get sick of them, but I'll just keep them like that for now. I like it. It also has like little gold detailing. Cute. I'm into it. Okay, I actually am just gonna put these up for now. I'm gonna leave the little plaid print in here, but I'll put photos in eventually, but I'm thinking like that. I don't know. We're gonna try it. I'm about to head into Pilates. I just got here. I'm so excited. I just really look forward to these Monday night classes. It's such a nice way to start off the week. I like the instructor. It's a candlelit class. She plays good music. Seriously, like now when I'm listening to music, I have like thoughts in my head all the time where I'm like, oh, this would be such a good song for Pilates. Like I want to become an instructor solely so that I could play my own music and make playlists for Pilates. Thankfully though, like the studio that I go to, all the instructors play really good music. There's like honestly only one that, and I love her. She's honestly like one of my favorite instructors, but she like plays the same playlist like all the time, like months of the same playlist. And I'm like, oh my God, that's just like, that's criminal. Like you can't be doing that. But no shade. I love her, but it is funny. Lately, I've been like, oh my God, my face is moving in ways that like it didn't used to move. I was just talking to my friend about this, like it's moving in ways it didn't used to. Like, I don't feel like I used to be able to make that face. Like, do I need Botox? I'm 24, I'm 24, I'm 24, I'm 24, I'm 24. I'm about to be 25 next month though. I can't keep up with these societal beauty standards! For real though. I'm stuck between like, do I want to be a clean, no filler, no Botox, no nothing girl? Or am I going to be like a it girl, and I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm getting my botox, my filler, my whatever. Or am I gonna be like, do you, like, you do what you want, but like, I just don't do that. Like, which girl am I gonna be? Decisions. It's a few days later now. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday. It's almost the weekend. I'm so excited. I've had a busy couple days just with work, and then Brody was out of town for work, so I was on full-time puppy duty, and then I also had to bring Fern to the vet because she has another ear infection. It's her second one this year. She had one a couple months ago, and I honestly don't think it ever went away. So hopefully this time we get it under control, but I've also been keeping up with my cleaning schedule so far this week. We'll see how it goes. We have the guest bedroom to clean today, and then I'm gonna try a new recipe. I'm really excited about it. It's one of Brody's favorite foods. He's been wanting me to learn how to make this for a while, so we're gonna give it a go tonight. I picked up some groceries on my drive home from work, got everything that I needed, so we'll make that tonight, but first we need to do our cleaning.
Oh, it's on video.
Oh, that's cute though. You can screenshot that.
You can take a screenshot?
Yeah, that's cute.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Will you send me it for the vlog?
This is the Twilight Color Pop collab. Wait, this is Belle's.
Are you Ben, Loca?
Shout out to Bella Swan.
Why is it always oily?
You can tell who's like mature and then childish.
Cheers.
We're developed. Ours is drier. Yours is on the so sweet side. But it's crazy
But
because
Noogie?
yeah, you're wrong.
No height difference.
So it's like that's actually crazy. Do what you love. So I'm gonna do her.
That was good. Good morning. I'm so tired this morning. I'm not hungover, but I'm definitely having like a slower start to the morning. It's like 11 a.m. right now. I did not limit myself to the 2 glasses of wine, clearly. But it was so much fun, and I've been so busy and working so much, it was nice to chill a bit, have some wine. It was a very long week, so it was much needed. This ice roller just feels so good. This morning, I'm making a blueberry syrup. I've been loving making at-home lattes and like fancy matcha. It's really fun making these like at-home lattes that you'd get at like a cafe, because it doesn't take much effort and they taste so good. It's very satisfying to make it and kind of fun. So I'm actually gonna start a new series on my Instagram and TikTok making lattes and fancy matcha and all sorts of drinks at home. And I'll show all the lattes and everything in like my YouTube videos, of course, but the actual recipes and stuff will live in that short form content is kind of what I'm thinking. But I've just been having so much fun making them. I'm like, why am I not filming this? Just having a nice, slow, relaxing morning. It's also a rainy day, so the vibes are on. I'm gonna make some eggs and toast. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of that pesto I made earlier this week on the eggs. I feel like that will be yummy. Morning everyone, happy Sunday. It's 1:30. I just got back home. I woke up today. I actually went out for the second time this weekend, last night, which is crazy. Back to back going out when I literally haven't gone out in a very long time. So went out Friday, went out Saturday. It's just crazy. I feel like during the wintertime I just hibernate and I love it. And then like when the warm summer months, spring months come out, everybody just like gets more social, wants to go out and do things. So there's pros and cons to both, you know, like I love the back-to-back weekends consecutively staying home all weekend. It's just so nice. I just love being home. But it is fun to like push myself to like go out and do things, and especially like go have like a fun night out. So I definitely had fun, but we also have like a lot of plans next weekend. So I don't know when the next time I'm gonna have a full weekend of doing nothing is. So also say I actually felt worse this morning than I did yesterday. And I drank more Friday night than I did last night. I only had 3 drinks last night, but I woke up with like a pounding headache. So Brody is another story. Brody really not feeling well this morning, but I'm fine. Took some Advil, feeling great. I went thrifting. I'm gonna give you a little haul with Brody because I wanna show him too. Do you recognize this bag? Yeah. So I have it in the bigger size. But this is it in like the smaller size. Could wear as like a little purse. $5, Brody. And green tags were on sale, so it was $1. $1. And this is like an expensive bag. Then, look at this sweater. I spent $7 total. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Some trim. Oh, this was super cute. And then I got one more, or no, I got 2 more things. Look at this little nightgown. I've been wanting a nightgown to try it out and see if I like it. So cute. And then lastly, I've been wanting to get these combs and I saw them and they were $2, so I got it. Really, I want it for that end so that when I'm like doing my part, I don't really need it for anything else other than, like I don't need the actual comb part. I just wanted the little pick for my part. That's what I got, $7 freaking bucks. And then I had book club after, so went to book club. We read Bright Young Women last month, which was a really good book. It's about the Ted Bundy murders, specifically though from the points of view of like the victims and the people that they knew. So good, so well written. I really enjoyed that book. This month we're reading, I forget what it's called, but we're reading Keke Palmer, her memoir, and I'm so excited. We were all like cheering. So we're gonna do that, but I have a lot to do today. It's 1:30. I have a bunch of work to do. That's the other thing about like the months where we get more social and it's nice out. Like I just have so much work to do all the time. I have my 8 to 5, then I have my own social media stuff that I do, and then I have a social media management client, and then I'm trying to get more social media management clients, trying to post more on my own socials. So like I'm just working constantly, and when those social weekends happen, I'm like off my game. So gotta get on my game, gotta be really on top of it in order to like still enjoy being social and doing things and also being on top of all my work. So definitely a balancing act, but I have a lot to do today. I'm gonna end off this video here. I hope that you guys liked it. I think it's a little bit shorter, so I apologize if it's a little bit shorter than normal. I've been trying to push my videos to like 20 minutes because that's what I love to watch, but let me know what you guys like. Yeah, I love you. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next Monday.